Yes, viewers, we are bringing to you Port-Harcourt Road, Fegge, Onitsha, and we are going to give you some fresh road updates that we have not brought to you before, together with this Port-Harcourt Road, because such roads are just adjoining road from Port-Harcourt Road, and we are going to give you the whole stretch of the road. However, we went extra mile to give you these details of this road because we thought it wise that you guys may want to see all this that we are going to bring to you today. Also, the government need to look into these open drainages because one, we cannot afford to waste land, within this Anambra state and these busy cities in particular, because open drainage is waste of land. Government is supposed to reclaim it by covering it to become part of the walkway that we are talking about, instead of leaving it open to become an eyesore and become a trap to pedestrians. It is better for government to cover it and make it spacious for pedestrian walkway. Yes, we are not going to leave out some important, notable, remarks in this video as we go on. We are going to show you some certain things that, we feel that governments need to attend to. However, anyone that you noticed as a viewer, please don't hesitate to bring it on board so that we can discuss it here as usual. So thank you very much for coming around. Let's go to the proper detail. Yes, viewers, you are welcome to YangaLife today, and we are taking you around Port-Harcourt Road, Fegge, Onitsha, where the road construction is going on. The whole stretch of Port-Harcourt Road from down flyover to Niger Street termination point. The work is going on in earnest, and there are about 3-4 streets, adjoining streets to Port-Harcourt Road. Well, we'll try as much as possible to show you some of these streets so that we'll all be on the same page, because we thought it wise that you are going to like what we are going to show you, to be currently updated. Well, I still want to use this medium to, communicate this to the people in authority, if possible, that they are going to come across this video. I don't know. The message that the viewers are passing to people that are in charge of this job, specifically to the government of Anambra State, Ministry of Works, Commissioner for Works, Governor Charles Soludo, to please, add some aesthetic values to the road that is being constructed. Well, the government is trying their best to get these roads done. But however, I don't think it is correct for us to waste time on any infrastructure now. Whatever we are doing now should be once and for all, and leave that axis and face another thing. That is the point. So a little touch of green environment, carpet grasses that will be free from weed, kind of green shrubs planted along the road and the rest of them. Well, I don't know, but this is what they said that is good for, most of this road that are being constructed in Anambra State. It's not just about, coming to do an open drainage, cement and go. All these things are very healthy to the people living in the city. They mop up carbon dioxide that cars and every other machines emit in the air. So it's the plant and trees that helps to absorb them. So they are very, very important in our environment. Well, without wasting much of the time, we are going to go straight to Port-Harcourt Road and some other little adjoining road that we have not brought to you before, so that you see the situation and the level of the job done so far on that road. I bet you that the work is really going on, as expected. However, they need to add some touch of speed, to what is going on, so that people can go back to their normal life, and if possible, add more workers to the site. That is what we are saying. Yes, viewers, as usual, we are going to give you the direction of where we are coming from. This is Bridgehead Onitsha. You can see that tanker going into First Niger Bridge. So the stretch of this road is where we are coming from. You know, this road is Niger Street. It moves directly into the Onitsha main market, and we are going to move along this road to divert shortly by the right into Port-Harcourt Road, Onitsha. Well, as usual, we show you the direction because some people may be the first time that they are seeing this area of coverage. Well, and many, they are used to it, but those that are used to it, you know, there is something new that they can see at every point of upload. Yes, here you can see that the walkway is being done here. It's now done and dusted in this axis. But however, you see this walkway, that place this guy is standing now is as if the person that did it, and all of them are like that, is as if that the person that did it used ordinary hand. You see, as if he used ordinary hand to mold, to mix the cement and start patching it like that with his palms. Just imagine. How can somebody use hand thrower and do this kind of work? It's not possible. Hand thrower cannot give you rough work like this. So I don't really understand. You see, that's what we are talking about, supervision. Supervision is very, very important. In fact, and there is not just that portion. The whole stretch of this road, you see some, you know, by the side, some rough work, you know, being done there. But let it not be that we are like Oliver Twist. But, you know, it's always good to point out what is not good, because it's not good. It's not good to the eyes. That's why we are saying it. And that is the point. If you like, you just observe it at interval. At interval, you know, you see them like that. However, probably let's not be too fast to conclude. Maybe when the road asphalting is done, probably most of those rough parts will be covered up. I believe so. So, but there is no justification to do such rough work, you know, along this axis. Well, our focus is not on Niger Street, but because we are passing through Niger Street, that's why we are, you know, mentioning this to our viewers. I don't know whether it's the individual that did all this or the contractors. I believe it's the contractors. Why not do something that looks nice? Yeah? Is it because that it's Onitsha, or is it because that it's Oboisi? Cannot make something that looks, you know, neat. You can see by the side, so rough. Yeah? I don't just understand. But however, that is not the basic of what we are saying. But anything worth doing is worth doing well. That rough work is minor. It's quite minor because it is not, to me, it's not the major concern, but it calls for an attention. That's why I decided to point it out. However, you can see the direction that we are moving. See the Port-Harcourt Road here is being blocked because these guys are focusing on Niger Street. This is Niger Street. And you can see gradually that Niger Street face of the road is gradually coming out, you know, little by little. Though we are going to still give you updates on that, because there are some interesting updates on that Niger Street, of which I'm going to give you later. However, we've just entered the Port-Harcourt Road, and this is Port-Harcourt Road. So let's observe what is going on as we move along Port-Harcourt Road, Fegge, Onitsha. Yes, like I said, you see these walkways. You can see that the road has been narrowed down because they want to provide walkway, which is good. But instead of leaving this gutter empty like this, why not make the walkway to cover up with the gutter? Provide a slab that will cover up with the walkway and make the walkway reasonable. Make it larger and reasonable. I believe that would be the right thing that the government needs to do here instead of leaving this place lying waste. Cannot allow the place to lie waste, and we don't leave open gutters in cities. It is not good. It breeds mosquitoes. It's not safe for people walking with legs, that's pedestrians, and the whole lot of them. So the viewers and I myself, we are saying that government should make every effort to cover the drainage, let them be together with the walkway so that the walkway will be bigger and nicer, if you ask me. So let's keep going and making our observation. Thank you. Yes, if you have not subscribed to YangaLife channel, click on the subscription button, notification bell, like this video, and don't forget to share this video. Please share it and bring your own comments, bring your own contributions and observations so that all hands can be on deck. Don't leave it alone for us here alone. Once the video gets to you, you know what to do to bring your own contribution towards making Anambra a livable society, Southeast and Nigeria at large, in line with Governor Soludo's slogan of making Anambra a livable society. That is what we are doing here to help him achieve that. Livable in terms of healthy living, in terms of safety, in terms of getting it right when it comes to public infrastructure. Thank you. Yes, like I observe, there are some level of increase in stone-based, distribution on this road. Well, but I'm not sure if this is the first or the second stone base. Actually, such road supposed to have first, second, if possible, third stone base. But usually, second stone base is the standard. But that of Niger Street, I believe that one has up to 3 stone base. But we are not on Niger Street now. We are on the Port-Harcourt Road. Let's focus on the Port-Harcourt Road. And it's too early to conclude if they are going to add up to 3 stone base on this road. Probably the one I called the third one could be the cement stabilization, which I'm not really a civil engineer to understand these things very, very well. But one may not need to be a civil engineer to know what is stone base first and second one. Yes, this axis now is coming down from down flyover Iweka Road. That is the axis that we are approaching again from. Initially, we were coming from Niger Street, but we have gone down to, start from down flyover Iweka Road. Yes, we are still moving down towards down Port-Harcourt Road. By the left there is Mugo Park. Mugo Park is by the left. If you enter here, you will come out at Lagos Park, Opiweka. This park is in between Port-Harcourt Road and Lagos Park, Opiweka by the left. We are going straight to have a better observation of this area. Yes, I noticed that the drainage system in this axis is almost completed. Usually, when the drainage is completed, the application of storm base and the actual construction work will start. Yes, for the benefit of doubt, I want to show everybody how they usually clean drainage system. Though this one has been left for a very long time, and you can see so many sands and dirt was coming out from the drainage. But this is how a covered drainage would look like. You know, they will use a sagin or whatever they cover to cover it so that it will provide a walkway on top of that gutters. They're supposed to cover it and provide that, a block cover and seal it up so that pedestrian can use it together with that little pedestrian walkway. It will add to it and make it bigger and more comfortable to walk. As time goes on, people like this can come and be cleaning them to make sure that there is no stagnant water inside that drainage system. Well, we need to invest on cleaning our environment. Actually, it is very, very important that the state government and the local government, how they want to do it, they need to talk this thing out. We need to invest more on clean environments. Very, very important. How to make our roads neat, how to clean our drainages, how to, live in a comfortable environment. Are we not tired of this, staying with dustbin and rubbish, at all times? Well, and let's give it a second thought. Thank you. Yes, these guys, they're having little challenge here because of that rain that fell. So they want to use machine to drag out the water from there. But if this drainage system has been functional, you can see where it's totally blocked. We don't construct gutters and leave them blocked like that. Yes, we have to work on our management of waste so that this kind of a thing will stop. Hmm? He's telling us something that we are not getting it right when it comes to waste management. That is the implication. So government should know, and the general public should know how to go about this. But government usually is the one that gives the directive and bring out solutions to this. And here in this channel, we are trying our best to see if we can, chip in our one kobo suggestions concerning how to keep our environment clean. Okay, let's not be tired in providing solutions to some of these things. Thank you. Yes, as we are saying this, we are saying another one. We have been saying this thing earlier before now. As government is making effort to construct our roads, let there be a matching plan on the environmental cleanliness so that this work and the job being done on our road will not look as if nothing has been done. Just take a look at this drainage. This is a very big gutter and a wide drainage that is supposed to, push water from Fegge into Bridgehead, and from there it will enter River Niger or towards Oboko. But see, it has been blocked. Is that the way we are going to go? See, a whole large gutter like this is blocked. No effort to open it up, no effort to clean it up. Because of bad waste management system, all these things have been affected, and this is the way this death and rough environment affects life, human life. We don't need a specialist to tell us this. We don't need it. It's a simple calculation. Well, let's keep going. Yes, from this axis now, we are entering Miss Elems Street. From here now, Miss Elems Street continues. So let's move down there. I think it's only once that we passed here. The first time that we gave you guys updates. So this is the second time that we are passing through here. You can see the whole street is being cut off and the gutters are being constructed. So let's move down and have a look at Miss Elems Street and the other streets down there. Yes, I think we have passed Miss Elem Street, but I had to, pass through this road to see exactly what is happening here. We have not been here before. This is the first time that we are coming towards this axis. However, I have to climb so many mountains and valleys to bring this update to you guys, and cross so many rivers, just to have a look of what is going on here, because I myself am enjoying, moving around also, so that I too will have first class information of what is going on. So I had to climb a lot of mountain, heap of sand, and laterite, just to get that closer view of this axis. So let's Yes, gentlemen and ladies, we are moving off Miss Elems Street back into Port-Harcourt Road, Fegge, Onitsha, and we are going to move down as if we are going towards where we come from. Yes, there is another adjoining street here. We've not been here before, but work is seriously going on here. I think this street has to do with Oraukwu Street or also Nemo Street or something like that. This axis. So, but let's move down there to have a good and better look of what is going on. Yes, like I said, we've not been here before. This is Nemo Street. So we are moving down towards the next termination road to have a proper and complete view of it. Yes, again, we are back into Port-Harcourt Road to move down and have a closer look at the other side of Port-Harcourt Road. And I just noticed that the street lights are there. They are there, but it's just that some of them are bending. Well, probably they have not done the finishing touches on them. You can notice the newly installed street lights, yellow and black in color. That is the Anambra color, which is yellow and black. But we are going to have a closer look at that street light to see what it looks like. But it's a solar street light anyway, which is better. So, but we'll take a look at one or two and see exactly what it looks like. Well, you can see what the street lights look like. That is the solar street lights that is being installed, from one end of Port-Harcourt Road to the other end. I guess so, even though they have not reached the other end, but the street lights have been mounted at reasonable points, starting from Niger Street Termination Road. Well, let's keep going. Yes, viewers, from here now we are back into Niger Street, from where we are going to end our trip at Bridget there. But like I said, we are going to give you an update concerning this Niger Street. Some good things are happening on this road, but until then I give you the update, you will see and understand it yourself. Well, like I said, this walkway is nearly done, and this is the first time that we are seeing it, just some few days ago. And this is the first time we are bringing it to you. Well, if you have not subscribed to YangaLife channel, click on the subscription button, notification bell, then like our videos, and don't forget to share our videos so that others can watch and bring their own contributions to what we are talking about, because we cannot do it all alone. It is for everybody. All hands must be on deck to be able to achieve something good for our society, in line with what the governor has been preaching, a livable society. That is what we are doing here to help him achieve that.